Click on the link below to get price. The FIRMAN T09275 tri-fuel portable generator is a versatile option designed for various power needs. Whether you are looking for a reliable backup during outages or needing a power source for outdoor activities, this generator provides a range of features that may appeal to different users. This generator operates on 3 types of fuel: gasoline, propane, and natural gas, allowing flexibility depending on availability and preference. With a robust output of 11,400 watts, it is capable of powering multiple appliances simultaneously, making it suitable for both home and recreational use. The electric start feature adds convenience, enabling users to start the generator with minimal effort, which can be especially beneficial in emergency situations when every second counts. One notable feature is the CO Alert technology, which enhances safety by detecting carbon monoxide levels and automatically shutting down the generator if necessary. This is a critical aspect for users who may operate the generator in enclosed spaces, as it adds an extra layer of safety and peace of mind. Additionally, the generator operates at 120V and 240V, providing flexibility in powering both standard household appliances and heavier equipment that may require higher voltage. In terms of usage, the FIRMAN T09275 is designed with user-friendliness in mind. The control panel is clearly laid out, allowing for easy access to all functions. Users will find various outlets, including standard 120V outlets and a 240V twist-lock outlet, catering to a diverse range of devices. Its portability is enhanced by its sturdy wheels and handle, which make it easier to transport to different locations, whether that be your backyard, a job site, or while camping. In conclusion, the FIRMAN T09275 tri-fuel portable generator stands out for its tri-fuel capability and safety features. It caters to a variety of power needs while emphasizing user convenience. With its powerful output, thoughtful design, and safety mechanisms, it may serve as a practical solution for those seeking reliable power in various circumstances. Whether you are preparing for a power outage or planning a weekend getaway, this generator provides a noteworthy option worth considering for your power generation needs.